biscuits, welcome back to the channel. Hey, let's do a folding day. Oh yeah. How has your weekend been? Did you have a nice one? I hope you did. I am trying to appreciate my weekends more this summer. That's one of my goals, is really enjoying my weekends and having them be a present time for our family and just kind of rejuvenation, I think is what I'm looking for. I don't know, the last year and a half, it has worn down on me, and this is a month that I'm definitely reapproaching, you know, how I'm taking care of my emotional state, making sure that I am feeling joyful and zen and just less hurried, more uplifted, I think is a big one. Just got done shooting a Patreon vlog, and so I'm putting away those costumes. Oh yeah. And then going through the never-ending assortment of how do all these socks, where do they go? Is there a sock monster in the house? I think there is. There's someone that eats socks in my house. I don't know who it is. I don't know if it's the yard squirrel, but somebody's there. Eating my socks. That's my only way to explain it. The yard squirrel is one of the banes of my existences. No, banes of my existence. My existence is singular. My banes are plural. Oh, have you been enjoying some of the travel content over on the main channel? Kind of finally back at it a little bit. Obviously, all, you know, nearcation, staycation stuff, because everything's not all open back up. But I've been enjoying getting to film those and have fun with that again. And, you know, I so love creating that kind of content for you, biscuits. And some of the best feedback I get is inspiring other parents to be like, oh, hey, we totally can go on little trips and big trips and, you know, have fun with this and not just kind of be housebound going, oh, we can't do anything if we have little people in the house. Ooh, oh, merch shirt. Oh, yeah. There's an essential oil for that. Patcher. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm actually getting things folded, which is moderately miraculous. Oh, I thought this was a matched set, and it was not. It lied to me. You biscuits have been here on my chat and folds before, where you know that socks deceive me. They look like they're a matched set. They aren't. Liars, I tell you. All our cleaning rags and everything. Have you been enjoying me getting more back into the speed cleaning routines and everything? Took a little break from that with all the big life stuff going on, and I'm kind of slowly getting back at it. Wait, where did they go? And I love it because, you know, it's a genre that I so adore filming and talking about and spreading my love for homemaking. Oh yeah, like delicious peanut butter on honey toast. I already folded these and somehow they wound up back in the laundry. That describes cleaning. It does. Ooh, hand towels. I'm actually like halfway through this already. I am speedily going, man. Oh yeah. What are your big fun summer plans? I had to find swim shorts for running through the sprinkler. Okay, more hand towels. I have no idea what I was talking about. Oh, your summer plans. Do you have any fun summer plans? I was asking this over on Patreon and saying, hey, what is everybody's summer plans? Are we staycationing? Are we just staying home? I guess I use staycation as a term to like travel within a couple hours of your house, you know, which maybe other people think is staying home. My purple socks, which I love, but where are their matching sets, biscuits? Where? Oh my goodness. I realized this time last year my sci-fi novels were coming out, and oh my goodness, I cannot wait until I have the time allotted on my schedule to get back into writing. I so miss doing my novels. But, you know, last year I kind of faced that something had to give. Several somethings had to give. And I was like, okay, what can I triage in my whole schedule and everything? And that's what went. Ooh. Apparently I've been wearing a ton of my merch shirts lately because they're in the laundry. What's the worst that could? Ooh, squirrel. That's my ode to the ADHD that we all... Oh, something's shiny. Oh, was I speaking? I love wearing this as my night shirt. It's super cozy, and it's just like, it's the perfect size for them. Oh my god, I thought that was a sock, but I think that's a stuffed animal in there. Who even knew? My robe of joy. Oh, hello, robe of joy. How are you, robe of joy? My mom gave this to me for my Christmas present for my postpartum bubble of comfort. And I was like, yes. It was, you know, the last time I got in a new robe was the last time I had a kid. I'm like, oh, it is time for a new robe. Okay, biscuits. Okay. Oh my goodness, can we do the socks? I have folded this one pair of undies like 12 times, and it's just never getting put away. I love this. I think these are such cute burlesque clothes. Okay, let's see what we can find. I believe in us, biscuits. Should we try? I don't think there's any match sets in there. None. It's like 20 pairs of socks, but only one of each. It's craziness. Oh yeah. I'm getting so much closer to getting to shoot my workout swim course. I'm so excited about that because swimming is just one of the best workouts for getting your core and just your body to be more comfortable. I love it. So I'm excited. It's like this, yes, this swim top makes me remember it. Just kind of wearing all my swim gear because I was doing some 80s workout shoots just now, and oh yeah, I know, I keep popping back on and off here. It's one of those days. Okay, I will see you in the next video. I hope that you are having a lovely start to your week and that things are just going well for you. I hope that this is a summer where stuff really clicks for you and you just feel uplifted and inspired to live and create within your own happiness, that happy dream of what we all kind of, our goal of what our life wants to be. I'm gonna go now. I have to put away all those clothes. I can do it. I believe in us. Do I? We'll see. Hey, I'll see you over on Instagram between this video and the next. Big giant hugs. Oh yeah.